everyone, this is Tomo from Mimaki, Australia. I'm here today at Mimaki headquarters showroom. Today I'd like to quickly show the new Mimaki desktop and low-end cutting plotter, which is CG AR series. So behind me, I've got the new 24-inch 60 centimeters CG 60AR cutting plotter, which is entry machine. The price around $2,000 US and $2,400 for $2,000 for US and $2,400 Aussie. And its average price in global. And I would like to show a couple of features about this machine. This machine is purely replacing CG60 SR3, our industrial standard low-end cutting plotter, and it is released in June 2022. So a couple of features on this machine. This machine comes standard as the machine only. Those what you see here, the stand and the media basket as an optional item. So normally the people will just install the machine on the table to run the small, the short run decal and stickers for signage. The benefit in this machine, first of all, this machine originally has the 3 pinch rollers. We used to have only 2 pinch rollers on the 60 centimeters size, but we've got 3. The reason we added this is, of course, for the durability and consistency of the cut. But not only that, but we also support the short run packaging. The machine has an optional item, the little plastic table, in order to attach on the front side and the back side of the platen, in order to feed through the sheet, not only the vinyl, the flexible vinyl, but as well as the heavy duty seat, which is for the craft packaging craft, the paper craft usage, as well as the paper craft applications. But for the sign graphics purpose, to start with, you just need machine to start with. The second the feature of this machine is regards to Windows cutting driver support on the new AR series. The purpose of Windows driver is you don't need to have complicated Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW to start plotting, but you can only design the simple graphic in either Microsoft Office software, the Excel or Word or PowerPoint, to draw the line and print or the cut on the cutting plotter. So I'd like to quickly show how you start doing a Windows driver installation and setup and output. Alright, to do the Windows driver setup, first you need to plug the cutting plotter to a computer, which you send data from Microsoft Office. So for connection, the machine supports USB or the Ethernet. Today I'm going to use the USB to quickly plug the machine. So plug the machine side, and also plug the cable on the computer side. And you can start up the cutting plotter. While you starting a cutting plotter, I'm going to show you on the computer side how we are operating the Windows driver setup. For Windows driver setup, first go to Mimaki website. Today I'm at Mimaki Australia's website because I work for Mimaki Australia. So just search Mimaki Australia and product CGAR series from the top menu. And then click download. So you get a menu of Mimaki driver and Windows Prota driver and firmware updater. So for Windows Prota driver, click CGAR Windows driver and go ahead to download. Once you download it, you can just simply start the application here. So let me move out. So the menu comes up to start. So now the menu is asking to install the 32-bit or 64-bit for Windows. So today I have Windows 64-bit for Windows 10. So click that. The next display comes up is to find or select the printer. So it's a basic process close to how you set up a local office printer. So today I've got a local USB connection. So click on the bottom, add a local printer. Click on next. So here you have a choice of use an existing port or create a new port. Use the existing port. And within this list, you've got CGAR Prota. If you don't see this, you might need to install the USB driver, the Mimaki USB driver, addition to the in advance to install a Prota driver. So make sure you install that properly before you go into a Windows driver setup. But I have here the CGAR in the list, so click that and go to next. Now it's showing what Prota is connected, so I'll just highlight and go next. And which version of a driver you want to use, just use just go ahead and keep selecting the next. Right, in case if this is more than second time to install a driver for reset up, you might need to put a unique name of a cutting Prota instead of just saying a CGAR series, because it will overlap the setting sometimes. So I'm going to just put -2 and next. Do you want to share? No, I don't want to share, so just go next. Set as a default printer, I don't want to, so just say the finish. Alright, after that, what I want to try is go to just open a Word document. So for example, what I've got in here is a text box with a text motor, and I've got a little the icon. You can just you can just select from the text box the object shape, whatever you want. Or you can type whatever the word, and you can just select a font if you wanna just make a quick logo of your business or your nameplate and so on for the signage. So after you make a design, make sure that everything you want to print or cut is shown as the black color. In case I've tried before with the default blue color. For example, if you go to shape and the rectangle tool here, the blue color it won't cut. So it must be a black color from my experience. Alright, rest of the workflow is after you design the shape, you go to File, Print, and you select Prota you setup. So I set up a Prota of CGAR series -2. Select that and click Print. Right, before I print, I'm gonna just set media quickly. Alright, for setting up media is very easy. So I've got the small roll of the media here. So just to set onto the back side. In case if you've got if you don't have the plotter stand, that's okay. You have the cutting plotter comes with a little the seat stand on the behind, so you can just use that. After setting it up, make sure that you use either 2 or 3 pinch rollers in the proper position under the white level. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just move it out until we can do the edge to edge. So probably around here. So locate first roller here, second roller here, and third roller to here. After setup, just put a pinch rollers down, and detect a media roll or seat. If you have an even small roll, make sure you select a roll and select the number of the pinch roller as 3. I've got an error message for the roller position. So what I'm going to do is I might need to move out the media further to right side, and just to use this position of the roller. Alright, I'm going to give it a try. As a default, it goes automatically to a mark detection, so you just cancel by hit end. So it will move the cutter knife to the towards to the origin position. So I'm gonna just pre-feed the media because I tested a bit before. So just pre-feed and OK to decide the position. So rest of the workflow is just in the software, the Microsoft Word. Click cut. Make sure you are in remote mode to start cut. So it will start cutting. Let's see how it goes. Right, it's pretty fast and it's pretty detailed and the good accuracy. So just wait for maybe half minute to finish cutting. Right, that's good. So just go out from a remote to a local post feed. So I'm gonna show you how it was printed. Right. So it's got the details. So you just need to work out for the the pretty much good reading, but at least it cuts out from Windows pretty good. Right? How is it? Another advantage of this AR series is right behind the CG60 AR model here. There are 3 pinch rollers, right? So the pinch rollers can be lifted up entirely and bring it down to pinch the media. So if you look at the back side of a pinch roller, there are few levers you can manually work on. So this black lever is for the pressure changing. So if you bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. So this is for the high pressure. bring it down, this is a lower pressure. So the both sides of pinch roller must have a same setting always, so make sure they are the same setting. If not, the media can be skewing easily. On the middle pinch roller, there are two levers. The purple lever is to lift up and bring it down the entire pinch roller. So you can lift up when you don't want to remain the roller mark, or you can bring it down when you are cutting the heavy duty media to hold the media well. And you can of course change the media setting, the pressure setting, lower and higher. The higher is same as those, lower is same as those. So make sure that there are three of them. If you are using all three pinch rollers, three black levers are in the same pressure setting. Thanks for watching.